Hello, my dear students. I welcome you all to my English class. Today, we are going to learn common noun and proper noun. So, children, this is page number 6 of your textbook. Okay, I have made the same table in my notebook to show you. Okay, if you have the textbook, you have to see your textbook and write in your textbook itself. I am going to write in my notebook. So, the first table you can see in your textbook is this one. Okay, you know that names of all people, places, animals, things, birds, and many more things are naming words. We give name to them, they are called naming words. These naming words are also called as nouns. Now look at the words given in the table. Boy, library, garden, lion, pencil, parrot, crow, box, cat. All these words or all these names are in general. Okay, these are general names. We call such general naming words as common noun. Okay, when we talk about boy, so there are so many boys in the class. Okay, if we talk about library, it can be the library of your school or it can be the library of our community. Similarly, garden, if we talk about garden can be of your home or of our school. So these are the words we are talking in common. So we call it as common noun. Okay, so now we are going to complete this table. Okay, with the common nouns. Some are already given and some dashes are given here. So we have to fill those dashes. Okay, so let's start. Okay, so children, as you can see in the people's column, one is already done for you, that is boy. Boy can be any boy around you, around your society, in our class, okay, or in the market. So it is a common noun and it is written here boy. So second one, what should we write in the second one? Like it is given here boy, we can also write here girl. Write with me children, Girl, girl. Okay, next dash, we can write woman. Yes, we can write woman. What else we can write other than woman? So I have written here mummy, the favorite word we all like. Okay, since morning till evening we keep on saying mummy I want that, mummy I want that. Okay, so what we can write? Girl, mummy, papa, grandfather, grandmother, friend, and so many people are there in common which we can write here. So 2 blanks were there. I have written here girl and mummy. Let's see the second column, places. It has already been done for you, library, garden, and one more blank is there. What should I write in that blank? So I have written here market, M-A-R-K-E-T, market. Okay, one blank is there, so I have written one word here, market. There are so many answers. You can write here temple, school, club, library is already given. Okay, or any other answer which you like, you can write over there. Let's go to the next column, that is animal. 2 has been done for you, lion, cat, and 1 dash is given. Now again for this dash there are so many answers. I will write one of them. What should? So I am going to write here tiger, T-I-G-E-R, tiger. Okay, lion, tiger, cat, you can write here elephant, fox, rhinoceros. Many animals are there, you can write anything which you want. Come to the column of things. 2 is already been done for you. Pencil. And another one is box. And 1 dash is given. What are we going to write here? So as only one blank is given here, children, so I can write only one thing. So I am writing here pen, P-E-N, pen. But there are many more things which you can write. Pencil, book, bottle, dress, anything. Okay, any one thing in name you can write here. Okay, let's come to the next column. This is the additional column given in your book, that is birds. Okay, 2 are already been done for you. Parrot, there are so many parrots. And crow. What can be the third one? What should I write here? So in the birds column, I am going to write ostrich. O-S-T-R-I-C-H, ostrich. And there are many more birds which you can write here. Okay. So now, as we see what we have written and what is already been given here, like boy, girl, mummy, library, garden, market, lion, tiger, cat, pencil, pen, box, parrot, crow, ostrich. All these are common nouns. All these are common words. It is name given to them in general. So we call them as common noun. Okay. And remember, we have to write all the letters small in common noun. Okay, let's come to the next table which is given in your book. Yes, this is the table given in your book. Second table. Okay. Now, the naming words that have been given and examples are nouns that stand for a particular or specific person, like Pawan, place, Amritsar or Hyderabad, day, Friday or Sunday. So it is name given to a particular person, place or days. It is not common. Okay. So such nouns are called proper nouns. And remember children, whenever we write a proper noun, it starts with a capital letter. That is, we always write the first letter of the proper noun as capital. Okay. So let's write this one as well. Person, one is already given, Pawan. 2 blanks are there. Okay. So 2 more person name we have to write that should not be common. Okay. Like boy is common. We are not going to write here boy. We are going to give that boy a specific name and then we are going to write. Okay. So 2 blanks are there. First, I am going to write Austin, A-U-S-T-I-N, Austin. And the first letter will be capital because it is a proper noun. It is a name given to a boy. Okay. Boy is a common noun, but Austin becomes a proper noun. And in the second blank, I am going to write a girl name, that is Pari. P-A-R-I, Pari. Again, P will be capital because it is a proper noun. Now come to places. Hyderabad and Amritsar is already given. So in the places column, 2 is already given. And the third one I am writing is Delhi. D-E-L-H-I, Delhi. Okay, many more places are there. Name of the places, you can write any one of them. Okay, and remember we are writing a proper noun, so first letter will always be capital. Now come to the third column, that is days. Okay, so days, we have 7 days in a week. 2 is already given here, Friday and Sunday. One more day we have to write here. What? Monday. I am going to write here Monday, M-O-N-D-A-Y, Monday. Monday. Okay, we have 7 days of the week, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday and Sunday. So I have written here Monday. Okay. So this was all for today, children. Thank you.